Assalamualaikum. It's Subhan Mustafa once again after Cringy Range Friday 28th of Feb 2025 market update. Hopefully everyone is okay, but it doesn't seem to be okay here. Let's see what's going on in market and what are the levels we are looking at. I will explain these drawings on another chart here quickly. This was the long I was in, but I got stopped out. So removing everything here, resetting chart, go to daily. Structure wise, I swept, structure shifted here, supply created here. This is the major supply whenever it came. This is your major supply here. Why I am saying structure shifted here? Sweep, perfect sweep here, and higher low internal structure sweep, and this was the higher low structure broken here. So this is structure shift here, and we are making lower low. What are the target for this structure? This is the demand, big demand zone is here, and I will mark this whole old range here. This was our previous range. I will mark supply. This was the supply of this old range here, and we flipped. We didn't retest it. This is a supply zone here. And why this bleeding is just not because of hacks or anything like China have introduced some kind of AI software. No, these are not reasons here. US is going to implement some tariffs on UK and Canada and all that shit. So these are not healthy signs. Look, tariff 25% tariff US is imposing on Europe. It means if Europe is doing business in America of $1, they will pay 0.25 cents to America. What does it mean? It will raise two three things like the average cost for living, it will increase, so things will expensive get expensive on this dynamically. So that's the reason why things are going down, because people getting cash in their hands. But another fundamental reason is Another fundamental reason I would say that about tariff and what these are the 100K levels, or what are the psychological levels as well. So we tap those levels. Many those who have held below from these zones, they have to exit somewhere. So that was a zone, I think people offloaded their bags, but key thing I will say that many you will think that okay, we are in bear market. No, we are not in bear market. Bear market will come below, like structure wise. If we read out this impulse here, higher high, higher low. This was make higher high, higher low. This whole zone is a higher low zone, and we have big demand here. Yes, from last few months, last half year, we were in uptrend. That's why our minds are not accepting these kind of movements. Like this is not a big deal in a normal market, like 18% drop on Bitcoin, nothing. Compare it to this run. It is nothing that much. So this is a weekly demand here. Supply is here. This has to tapped here. Like we got up here, we tap these demands. These demands. We didn't have these one. So bear market, if you are looking at it, that okay, we are going down. Yes, we are going. Once we flip down here, yeah, we are in bear market. Another thing, people are watching monthly candle. Okay, how will be the Fab close? If Fab will close like this, oh, what the fuck? What happened? Nothing happened, man. Just relax, chill. Look at this big demand here monthly. Look at this monthly fair value gap. It cleared. It almost got filled. Yet we have some room to be filled this fair value gap here. So be like when price was there, we swept these previous ETH. We down like this. Oh, we are going down, man. Fuck, oh, shit, and that, blah, blah, blah. So don't be overcomplicate your life on looking at M1 or M30 or 1 hour, 4 hour candles. Yes, lower time frame we are in downtrend, but in higher time frame the trend is still intact, bro. This is a previous ATH. So there are chances that we test. Okay, testing here we can go up. Then we will play level to level. Simple as that. So back on the charts now. Fundamentally, mentally, you guys have been clear that tariff are imposing on, and Trump already said that we will take strict action. So he is taking those actions, and those actions are hurting us because we are going against trend. Right now, trend is supporting towards low downside, and we are just what we say. We are longing every we down here we longed, bank stopped, down here longed, again down here. We are not going with trend. We are going against trend right now. Till these zones, I was also longing. Yes, I was longing and updating that we might get some kind of like this is the key SR zone here. This one. This is your key SR zone here right now. I will mark it black here, or you can make it like uh, this one as well. Whatever you want to make this candle up. Look at this key lamp. So I was anticipating that it might deviate back into it, and then we will go toward these supplies and then retest here, and we will continue towards upside. But this range lost, range low here, range high here, range high taken out, range low taken out. At this point, I was anticipating that it will deviate back into it, but it didn't. And those tariff news and hack news, all things came up on the way, and we started moving down. Now, these are the zones I am looking at. Yes, I am doing scalps on lower time frame, trying to be a hero. But market says no, you are not a hero. Mark this SR zone here. Now lower time frame I will mark it as a red because this was the SR flip here. I will say that um, let's see where the okay, it is not there yet. And this whole market volumetric zone I will say that the whole range, if something aligned here, okay, it is also aligning here. So it means that we might go towards these zones like this. Okay. Number two thing, I will go back on charts once I clear these psychological things that price dumped easily. It can go like this, but whenever it start moving up, it has to consolidate because people don't trust on this kind of PA. They don't put money in it. So they wait. One big whale came in. Okay, another one catches. I am in. So slowly building, consolidation, as consolidating period. One, what we say, a fake out. Okay, we are going down back. They again came up quickly on after consolidation, lows taken out, something like this range created, and then they start. the real move. So if you try to catch a knife to become hero, you will be slaughtered down. So now wait game is here, patience game is here. Yes, you wanna bid here, bid here, bid here. Stop should be below here. Bid in this zone. So that is your long zone. Now short zone. Look at this zone. Keep eye on this zone. Is there any support you see? This is a small support here on lower time frame. But apart from here, you see anything? If we consider that this is not a daily candle, this is okay 30-minute candle. You have trust this one? No, you have to wait there here because this is a wide zone and there is no support like this. The way it cleared up, it will clear down quick as the same way. Like it goes up quickly. It will whenever it came here. Yesterday when price came here, I updated in Discord that it now price will go down quickly and it started moving like quickly. It goes yesterday it closes like in a range and then bang. So this is open zone. Wait for the here to it complete that once. Then this is the consolidation zone. So whenever consolidation zone will hit, you will realize okay now it's time to bid and look at range and we will play according to the range. Till now, if it opens zone and it is going down, you have to look for shorts only. Now, important levels should be marked here. This is your SR level, and below here we are in this range. This is your range then, the whole 20% range. Like if price came here, look for longs in this zone. Target, maximum target will be here. You will get out here. It doesn't mean if you catch something in this zone, okay, it came slowly, 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 and you are sleeping there. No, sell here because this is your important SR zone. Maybe this zone work out. So this will be your sell zone. If price came here, short it down towards here. Until unless we reclaim this zone here. We reclaimed here. Slowly, we have supplies here. We will reject once more, and once we flip it here, okay, now we are back above and we will trade smoothly, but it will take time, and I don't think so it will happen that easily. It will take time. Look at the P now. Uh, Sweep, structure shifted here, higher, high, higher, high, lower, low now making internally. And this is your lower high previous, so this is your MSB on daily. Structure shift will happen here. Bull market will be back above here only. And your this is your supply here. Market is red. Whenever price came here, just mark it with yourself on one of the Bitcoin chart this and don't remove these drawing. These will work out. From downside, you have this one. These two zones are here. If it bounced here, something like this, you see that like okay, price came, okay, good reaction, again retested, and it is holding and it changed the structure here. You have to bid here. Then whatever nearest supply will be your target. Other than that, you don't have to bid. You are stuck here. Try to if you are stuck in this zone and your prices entry prices are here, try to slowly decelerate down in this zone so prices came down below here. So whenever bounce came, you get out from those trades. Now on H4, what is going on in H4? As I said, there are small supports here. You guys see there are one, two, three. These are small supports. But this one was tested support, so I will trust this one, not these one. Maybe these are liquidity taken, quick liquidity taken towards these. What is this zone? 73, 71K zone. So might be possibility here. So now we will study this thing because This is range. We know that what happened here. Open your eyes. Look at this. What is happening here? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until unless it's flipped like this, higher low, higher high. Don't bid or don't buy anything yet. Lower low zone, lower high. Look at this SR level, how quickly rejected here. It confirmed when this low also broken out, it confirmed that this lost. Yesterday was a day to short. That's why I shorted and I minted this whole rally really good. Now target is this one. I will guess this one. Let me mark the previous ETH here as well. One liner, one liner. This one line. So this will be ultimately my final target for shorts. I will short till here. When this is taken out, then I will flip my bias slowly. Okay, going for 3 hour RH for 3 hour. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is lower high zone. We have this H3 supply here. So nearest supply is this one. So now if price came here, don't be stupid that oh we are going back, we are going back. Sit on hands and just observe here. If you saw any weakness here and you start observing here and you see that okay things are not looking good, try to short. Try to open a short position in this zone. Stop should be above here. I am not saying that place bids. No, don't place any bets. Just wait here. When price came here, or refine it towards H1. This is your H1 supply here. This one. If prices came here, maybe it came like this, slowly came up and sweep and then came down here. Okay, you observe short position. Let's go. This is your target. So it will take time to observe like this here happened. Lower low, lower high created exactly same situation. Copycat is going up. Let me show you something here. Observe this area, the marked area. What happened here? Consolidation. Make lower low here. Where is the highlighter? Here it is. We created lower low and we created a supply here. Lower time supply. We went back to this supply and bank. Now look at this PA. Let me remove this shit. Remove it. Consolidation. A clear range here. Lower low created. At lower low we had our supply here. And if you are an SR zone, like you only trade support and resistance, this is your resistance. Look at this, what a beautiful support turned into resistance. If prices came here, you have to short. This is your first TP. Simple as that. Don't complicate. Don't look for longs. Yes, once we have a structure shift, where will be that structure shift? I will show you that as well. So we had beautiful lower low, lower low, again lower high. We had a lower low. So lower high, this one I mark, this one I mark. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So if price goes up here, broke above this high, it means we are testing into now SR zone. It has to flip as well. If someone say, okay, we had a higher high now, we will go down here. Oh, fuck, we will bounce here. and then we will go down because we didn't flip this SR zone as well. This is the main important zone. So the important lower high is this one, the above one, not the below one. So once we flip this one, I will mark it as MSB. It means we flipped this zone as well. Then these daily in demand, sorry, daily supplies will be your target. Simple as that. And we will target this daily MSB. Then this will be our range, 11% range. Once we flipped here, then okay, all in plus throughs again started. Till then, we are looking for shorts. Now looking at liquidities, where we have yesterday I had this one and we didn't swap this one. Internal liquidity is lying here. So there are chances that we might trapped out here. That's why I said that don't place blind limits yet. Once we observed weakness here, okay, then bid on it and then go towards, because we have untapped internal liquidity above here. So there are chances that we might tap this. In whenever this kind of movement started, the lower trend started, we see a quick pump. Those are called short squeeze. Those who are new into this space, you might see sudden pump here to grab all these liquidities and all those shorters sitting here, like those hardcore shorters, they get out them and then they continue down once again. So this is it. Internal liquidity is above. We have internal liquidity, this one as well, nearest this one, so it might get uh, uh, tapped here. One more thing on I just got in my mind that Fibonacci, this one, look at decimals. Okay, where is prices? Decimals retested OTE zone. So now we have decimals high and considering this one as a low. So right now 0.618 and pocket zone is also forming up here. We might see that uh, we might have look at this one. NPUC is also lying here. So if prices came up here, don't be like, okay, we are back. No, we are not back yet. Yet, yes, we will be back like this if price came up here, rejected slowly, and it came down to sweep this low but didn't close any candle below here, and then we shift some kind of structure. Okay, now we have double bottom here, we have swept these liquidity, we are front running those, and you have to bid here. Okay, we are going towards this internal liquidity and MSV level. Higher time frame I explained, lower time frame I also explained with some confluences here. Look at lower time frame, like M15. If you see that the structure is shifted here, and we have a small supply lying up in this zone here. We have supply here, and we also have some kind of, no, we didn't have any BPR or anything. So this, no, I'm not trusting on these sloppy movements here. Okay, structure shifted. Okay, going up. Okay, get it. These are your lower time frame liquidities. Look at this one. This one. and this one. These two grabbed, this one left, and we have this one left yet. So today maybe at New York Open we start to move up once more to grab these liquidities, and then we start moving down towards, and I have showed you this below levels, and then we will tag those. On daily I show you the important levels. SR level, MSV level. Look at this one for now. And this SR level to be flipped. It's important. On lower, this was the range high of this range, and we have this SR flip here, or what we say a breaker, because it was a supply. Now it will be act as a demand. So if price is held here, or if we sweep down towards this daily demand, we have this NPOC here as well, so there might be a chance that we can go up. On weekly I have marked this MSB. Below there we are going towards into what we say into our bear market. Simple is that. On H4, MSB marked here, internal liquidity marked here, lower time frame supply marked here. Trend is bearish, making lower low, lower high. So if price trend is bearish, it means we are bearish, and at lower high we will short, try to short, and target are these supplies, previous supplies. So this is it on Bitcoin. Don't make it much harder for yourself. On USDT dominance and BTC dominance, I will mark things there as well. So yes, we swept, we break down, and this was our bull market, and then we reclaimed it in one candle. And this was the important SR level. If you are following me, and you have watched my old videos as well, so you know that this level. So we took support here, good support, and we are bouncing into it. And this is, I think, daily supply right now, but it doesn't seem like it is trying to go down. Doesn't seems like that. It might retest this trend line up here. So right now I would say that it is at resistance right now. It should reject at least towards, because it is also making higher highs. So lower time frame, if it rejects, we have another demand here as well. So it start bouncing up here. It same situation with here MSB here. So break down here and then go down. Same Bitcoin structure. Once it starts bleeding, Bitcoin will also start moving up. And BTC dominance is nothing more. This dominance bleeding on BTC dominance is bleeding. That's why our alts are much in good shape. This is my old chart. I didn't change anything here. Didn't change anything. So yes, last before 2 weeks ago we had a resistance created. We tested that resistance, and then we are going down. Internal support we have here. So this one, and internal liquidity is lying up towards this zone. And so there are chances that we might, if BTC stable starts like consolidating and Bitcoin dominance starts to go down, and Bitcoin is not moving neither up or down, alts will like go quick up. So this liquidity might be grabbed by BTC dominance if it comes like here in this zone. How much percent it is? Like 2% mean 5, 10, simply 10%, 15% bounces on all you will see. And if it came down towards here, 20, 30% bounce you will see on average on every altcoin. So hopefully it will go down. Total three. Okay, total three. This is a old range here. We rejected on daily. We have retested range high. Yes, we tested, and we are right now in If I mark daily supply here, this one, this was the old supply we flipped and we might retest it at mid zone. If we lost here, then yes, bid zone for what do you say that bidding on art. This weekly demand will be your bid zone. Keep eye on this demand then. But hopefully USD BTC dominance is going down. So if BTC dominance going down, it means we have to go above here. And once we reclaim this range high once again, and here is structure shift, then you will have a mini alt season again. So this is it on majors like Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, where is the Ethereum? I have posted Ethereum chart as well. Ethereum quickly. Ethereum I bought today 2110 is my average entry, like it is up a small percentage. This was the old range here. We reclaimed, we tested, we back to range lows. So now range low, what I'm expecting maybe a deviation here, maybe not. A deviation below here till where? Weekly will confirm till where? 2030. Maybe it go down a bit, but this is a deviation zone here on Ethereum. It might, if it started to consolidate here the way USBTC dominance is going down, there are chances that on Ethereum we might see a small pump like somewhere here 10-12% towards 2300, 2400, and 2500. And if things turns out because it's crypto and good news came out from nowhere, then reclaim of range low or mid range, and then this one is will be your target, and here is your supply as well. This is your 2 day supply. And MSB, yes, below here. Again, reclaim of this. This will be your MSB on daily. So it will take time to above 28, 2900. So that's will be your MSB zone on Ethereum right now. There are chances that we are at range low. Range low shows that look at this structure. Actually, Binance is selling. Binance selling out aggressively. I don't know why. Binance stop selling those shitty, then it will be good. So right now, lower time frame is not confirming anything to me, to be honest. Lower time frame is not confirming anything on Ethereum. That's why I'm not watching any alts. Yes, I am down on alts, those I bought, but hopefully BTC dominance start to go down, so our alts will perform better, inshallah. This is a hopium, and chart suggests that we can go down to a bit more. So this is it on Bitcoin and Ethereum on alt, everything. This is my chart on, sorry, this one. This is my chart, clear chart for you guys. You can copy it and follow it. Inshallah, you will be safe. So don't try to catch knives. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt your hands. Simple as that. Take care and trade safe. See you in next uh, session. Allah Hafiz.